My name is Alexander Sarao, 2K18 SCA 34, based computer science. My subject is Oracle. Agenda: History in Oracle database, data definition language, logical operator and or not. Oracle database. Oracle database is a relation database management system from Oracle Corporation. The data is stored logically in the form of table space and physically in the form of data files. Future of Oracles. In Oracle database offers the following features to meet the of powerful database management. Data definition language. Data definition language DDL is a short name of data definition language which deals with database plans and description of how the data should be received in the database. DDL statement: to create a database and its object like database table. Alter: change the structure of the current database. Drop: erase the object from the database. Truncate: remove all required from a table. Rename an object. Logical operator. And and not. This operator is compared to condition at a time to determine whether a row can be selected for the output. OR logical operator. OR for the row to be selected, at least one of the condition must be true. Syntax example. And logical operator. And for a row to be selected, all the specified condition must be true. Syntax example. Not logical operator. Not operator is used with condition only whose row will be retrieved from database which do not meet the given condition. Syntax example. Thanks for watching.